Hi friends, welcome to my Villageman Voice. More channel to subscribe krok aru bell icon to press krok jate মোৰ নতুন নতুন ভিডিও বিলাক আপোনালোকে নোটিফিকেশন জৰিয়তে লাভ কৰিব পাৰে। তেতিয়াহ'লে বন্ধুসকল বলক পলম নকৰি ভিডিওটো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। Hello friends, মই ৰিজুৰ আজি আপোনালোকক লৈ আহিছোঁ অলপতে হৈ যোৱা Assam Judicial Service Grade 1 Preliminary Examination 2018 ৰ question আৰু answer সম্পূৰ্ণ 100 মাৰ্কছৰ question আছিল 2 ঘণ্টাৰ সময়। সো ভিডিওটো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছোঁ। ফাৰ্ষ্ট কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে Number 1 and 2 দুটা question are decided. So in of these questions, example letters of a meaningful word are given. You are required to rearrange these letters and select from the given alternatives the word which is almost similar in meaning of the rearranged word. So a word to look at শব্দটো মানে example হৈ থাকিব. So here word to a meaningful word হ'ব লাগিব। ইয়াৰ right answer হ'ব option D, scarcity means অভাৱ বা নাটনি। D is the right answer. So ইয়াৰ 2 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো এইটো ইয়াৰ right answer হ'ব option C, black। ঠিক আছে, option C is the right answer. আমি next question ল'ম। Question number direction দিছে 3 আৰু 4 কাৰণে। So in each question below there is a sentence of which some parts have been jumbled up. Rearrange these parts which are labeled P, Q, R, and S to produce the correct sentence. Choose the proper sequence. So P, Q, R হিচাপে sentence কৰিছে ইয়াৰ পৰা এটা সম্পূৰ্ণ বাক্য হ'ব লাগিব। So ইয়াৰ 3 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনৰ right answer হ'ব option C। option C হ'ব QSRP. So ইয়াৰ আমি যদি মিনিংটো চাওঁ কি ওলাব, মিনিংটো চাই দিছোঁ। ask for or Q means কি আছে, ask for attendants who have instructions to help our customers promptly and politely. So C is a right answer. So next question, sign number PQR support our right answer হ'বগৈ D, option D, QRPS। ইয়াৰ যদি আমি মিনিংটো চাওঁ কি ওলাব, that is necessary to keep the world going and without it we should all die। ঠিক আছে বন্ধুসকল, নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন আমি আগবাঢ়িছোঁ। So ডাইৰেকশ্যন আহিছে 5 আৰু 6 নম্বৰ কাৰণে। In each of the following sentences there is a blank space in the given sentences. Below each sentence there are 4 words denoted by letters A, B, C, and D. Choose the correct word to fill in the blank. So খালি ঠাই পূৰ কৰিবলৈ আহিছে। 5 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো পঢ়ি দিছোঁ। In is changing and your unstructured business environment, creativity and innovation are being demanded of executives. So your right answer হ'ব 5 নম্বৰ option D, progressively and increasingly। ঠিক আছে, 6 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনৰ right answerটো হ'ব option B, sorry 6 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনৰ right answer হ'ব option D হ'ব। ঠিক আছে, the interest has accumulated in variation related to several sectors of pharmaceutical and sectors of bargaining, pharmaceutical and industry. So next question আমি আগবাঢ়িছোঁ। question number 7। ইয়াৰ এটা অংক কৰিবলৈ দিছে, চিম্পল অংকটো মই কৈ নেদেখাওঁ। ইয়াৰ ৰাইট এনচাৰটো আপোনালোকক দি দিছোঁ। ৰাইট এনচাৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন বি, সৰি 8% হ'ব অপশ্যন বি। অংকটো কৰিব। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 8। ৰাম কেন ডু এ ৱৰ্ক ইন, সৰি এইটো এটা মেথছে হয়। ইয়াৰ ৰাইট এনচাৰটো হ'ব 8 নম্বৰ। যদি চাওঁ ৰাইট এনচাৰ অপশ্যন হ'ব অপশ্যন A 24 হ'ব ৰাইট এনচাৰ। নেক্সট অংককেইটা কৰি নেদেখাওঁ দীঘল হ'বৰ কাৰণে। 9 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ব what was the purpose of the operation second launched by the government of India. So 9 number question or right answer hobo option B. Evacuating or the Indian nationals from Lebanon during the conflict in the Middle East. ঠিক আছে আমি next question লৈছো question number 10. Who among the following bowlers have taken more than 500 wickets in the test cricket? So 10 number wicket to এটুটা হেৰি কৰিব লৈছে সিলেক্ট কৰিব লাগিব correct answer using the code দিছে code হিচাপত ইয়াৰ যদি আমি right answer চাওঁ 10 নম্বৰ option B হ'ব option B so 3 আৰু 4 হ'ব তেতিয়ালে 3 নম্বৰত কি আছে গ্লেন মেগ্ৰথ আৰু 4 নম্বৰ ক্ৰান্তি ৱালছ so right answer 3 and 4 or B ঠিক আছে next question starting with the Australian lawn tennis tournament which one of the following is the correct chronological order of the order 3 major town lawn tennis tournament. So 11 number right answer of option B French Open, Wimbledon, US Open. Option B is a right answer. 11 number. Next question. Elizabeth Hawley is well known for her writings relating to which one of the following. So question number 12 to right answer of option C Himalayan expeditions. Option C is the right answer. Next question. Among the following presidents of India who was also the Secretary General of non-alliance movement for some period. So question number 13 right answer jodi ami sao option hobo C Gyani Zail Singh. Option C is the right answer. Next direction dise ako choose the correct established universal principles of law and moral philosophy from the following. So 12 number X to as a non-clear option. So 12 number আমি right answer to some option C hobo. Option C is the right answer. No action arises on immoral contact. ঠিক আছে 15 নম্বৰটো আমি চাম 15 right answer hobo option D. A personal action dies with the person. ঠিক আছে next question. Which of the following is the source of law? So 16 number question or right answer hobo option C customary law. ঠিক আছে C is the right answer. Next question, what is the required for a general rule of customary law to be formed? Question number 17, your right answer option D. Both the elements of widespread and consistent state practice and of the opinion juris and required. Option D is the right answer. Next question. In the Government of India Act 1835, federalists contained which kind of subjects? Question number for right answer have option D all of this, meaning that is external affairs, currency and coinage, naval, military force and census. So prodya gote kita shuddho. So right answer have option D all of this. Next question, when did Constituent Assembly adopt a national flag? So important question etuta ভৱিষ্যতে আহাৰ সম্ভাৱনা আছে এটুটা. So ইয়াৰ right answer হ'ব option B 22nd July 1947. Option B is the right answer. ঠিক আছে next question. Which of the following are regarded as the main features of the rule of law? So ইয়াৰ right answer হ'ব option C. Option C is the right answer. People's responsibility to the government. So 20 number sorry ইয়াৰ যদি আমি 20 নম্বৰ right answer হ'ব C হলে option যদি C হয় এটো হ'ব sorry এটো হ'ব right answer 1 2 and 4 হ'ব 1 আছে limitation of powers, 2 নম্বৰত আছে equality before law, আৰু 4 নম্বৰত liberty and civil rights. ঠিক আছে, right answer C হ'ব. So next question number 21. Which one of the following objectives is not embodied in the preamble to the Constitution of India? So a question number right answer option B hobo economic liberty. Option B right answer. Next question is consider the following statement. So yetu ako code ahi gol. I think this is a 21 22 22 number. Yes, 22 number code ase. Here right answer jodi mi sao 22 number option C is the right answer hobo. Both 1 and 2 1 number 2 number দুইটা শুদ্ধ গতিকে both হ'ব 1 and 2 right answer. This number question to লৈছো consider the following statements. So statement kita আপোনালোক পঢ়ি ল'ব মই right answer টো দি দিছো. This number right answer হ'ব option A only 1. 1 number কি আছে speaker, the speaker of the legislative assembly shall vacate his or her office if he the cases to be member of the assembly. Option A to right answer only 1. Next question, if President of India exercise his power as provided under Article 356 of the Constitution is in respect of a particular state, then so this number right answer hobo option B, the powers of the legislature of that state shall be accessible by or under the authority of the parliament. Option B is the right answer. Next is here the Trade Dispute Act of 1929 provided for, so here right answer to hobo option D. Option D hobo a system of tribunals and a ban or strikes. ঠিক আছে বন্ধুসকল, next question লৈছো with references to the prohibition of Bemani Property Transactions Act 1988. PBPT Act means consider the following statements. So 26 number ako code ahi gol. 26 number right answer to আজিকালি বিভিন্ন question এনেকা code ahe. So 26 number right is option hobo option B only 2. 2 number ki ase property held Bemani are liable for confiscation by the government. ঠিক আছে, next question. In India, judicial review implies, so judicial rule implies means 27 number question or right answer hobo option A. Sorry, the power of the judiciary pronounce upon the constitutionality of laws and executive orders. Option A is the right answer. Next question. Schedule 9th of the Indian Constitution deals with 28 number question or right answer option A, subjects contained in the union list, state list and a concurrent list. Option A right answer. Next question. Supreme Court of India propounded sequence basic doctrine in which of the following cast? 29 number question right answer option B, Keshavananda Bharati case. Option B right answer. Next question. By which of the following amendment act special provisions are as to citizenship of persons converted by Assam Accord? So question number 30 right answer option A hobo by Citizenship Amendment Act 1985. Option A is the right answer. Next question. By which of the following date of that a person from Bangladesh is deemed to be an Indian citizen. Question number 31, right answer option B hobo before 1st January 1966. Option B is the right answer. Next question. Question number 32. Rights relating to freedom of religion are contained in. Your right answer hobo 32 option C. Article 25 and 25 বা 28 article. Option C. Next question now. By which of the following article the Prime Minister has to furnish such information relating to the administration of the affairs of the Union and proposals for legislation as the President may call for? So very important question. 33 number question or right answer to Sale option article A. Article 78, sorry. Option 1 right answer article 78. Next question. According to which article the Parliament can make any law with respect to any matter not emitted in the concurrent list or state list? So 34 right answer of option B, article 248. Because option B is the right answer. Next question. Which article provides for the office of the Attorney General of India? 35 right answer ami sam option C right answer hobo 76, article 76. Next question. A country is said to be the debt trap if. 36 right answer of option A. It has to borrow to make interest payments on outstanding loans. Option A is the right answer. ঠিক আছে? Next question. Question number 37 hobo. Yes. Specific performance of contract is infrastructurable in case 37 or right answer jodi sama hobo option C. Option C case when there exists no standard for screening the actual damage caused by the non-performance of the act agreed to be done. Option C, right answer. Next question is here. The defense for specific performance of a contract for the sale of a plot of land has been made in a constant suit and procedure within the period allowed by the decree does not pay the purchase money. 38 or the right answer to option B is the right answer. Sorry. Yes. Option B right answer hobo. The vendor can rescind by filling an application in the same suite there where degree was passed. Option B right answer. So next question number 39 or 44 lage choose the correct word. শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ লাগে ইয়াত কি দিছে injunction can be granted 39 or right answer of option C to prevent the breach of an obligation existing in favor of the plaintiff whether expressly or by implication. Option C right answer. ঠিক আছে next question to 40. He sends goods to be for sale and gives instruction not to sell under a fixed price. He being ignorant of these instructions enters into a contract with B to buy the goods at a lower price than the reserve price. So number 40 right answer of option D. A is bound by the contract. ঠিক আছে Next question. A surety in a contract of guarantee is not discharged. So 41 right answer of option C. By contract to give time to the debitor is made by the creditor with a third person. Option C right answer. Next question to Lomami 42. If the parties to a contract agree to substitute a new contract. So your right answer about 42 option number D. None of these. Fraud ullekh kora etao nohoy, none of these. Next question long. He gives his authority to sell his land on the condition to pay himself out of the proceeds the debts due to him from A, but he died immediately on the next day, leaving his only son C. Your right answer of option A. The agency, service, and legal heir of A is bound by it. ঠিক আছে next question লৈছো A, the lessor leaves a plot of land to B on a condition that in case B would sublet, he would recenter. B transfers this right of re-entry to C. The transfer is 44 যদি আমি right answer চাওঁ right answer হ'ব option B. Not valid under the Transfer of Property Act. Next question ল'ম আকৌ direction আহি গ'ল ক'ত আহিব এইটো choose the incorrect pair out of the pairs mentioned below the question. Incorrect pair to আমি বাছি ল'ব লাগে effect of vested interested. So 45 question right answer option A. The option 8 কি আছে 1 আৰু 3 নম্বৰটো আছে 45ৰ right answer option A 1 and 3 হ'ব 1 and 3 to choose কৰিব লাগিব next question to ল'ম আমি question choose the incorrect one from the options mentioned below the question. So 46 right answer হ'ব option C হ'ব a sale need of immovable property of value above 100. ঠিক আছে option C is right answer. Next question 47 answer 47 যদি কুৱেশ্যনটো চাওঁ 47ৰ ৰাইট এনচাৰটো পাম আমি অপশ্যন বি হ'বগৈ কুৱেশ্যনটো পঢ়িলে বহুত দীঘলীয়া হ'ব কুৱেশ্যন আপোনালোকে পঢ়ি ল'ব মই ৰাইট এনচাৰটো পঢ়ি দিছোঁ অপশ্যন বি ডি ইজ protected as he had no notice of earlier transaction between A and C. Option B right answer. So বেছি দীঘল হৈছে ভিডিঅ'টো 100 marksৰ কুৱেশ্যন আছে ইয়াত so next question. So next question লৈছোঁ question number 48 48 পঢ়িছোঁ a marks a gift of his property to B with a provision that if B becomes invalid be interested to the gifted property that's sell cases the condition is hit under the provision of. So your right answer to hobo 48 or option B. Section 12 of the Transfer Property Act 1882 option B right answer. Next question. Question number 49. The rule of liability Transfer Property Act 1882 stipulated in 49 or right answer option C of section 52. Section 52. ঠিক আছে নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন 50 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটোৰ ৰাইট এনচাৰ যদি চাওঁ ৰাইট এনচাৰটো হ'ব অপশ্যন চি হ'ব 19 days গোটেই প্ৰশ্নটো মই পঢ়ি নিদিওঁ ভিডিঅ'টো যথেষ্ট দীঘলীয়া হৈছে 51ৰ যদি ৰাইট এনচাৰটো চাওঁ 51ৰ ৰাইট এনচাৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন বি হ'ব when the position of the defendant becomes adverse to the plaintiff. Option B right answer. 52 hobo. Next question. We plead that the arbitral tribunals does not have jurisdiction can be raised. Yeah, the right answer to sound option B hobo here. Not later than the submission of the statement of defense. The right answer. Next question. 53 and intervene arrival award on any matter with respect to which of the arbitral tribunals may make a final arbitral can be made. 53 right answer hobo option C. Option C hobo. Option C right answer hobo. Under section 31 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. So next question to for 54 personal right answer of option A from the date of which request for the dispute to the referred or to arbitration to receive by the representative. Option A right answer hobo 54 ঠিক আছে next question so 55 যদি আমি right answer to চাওঁ here right answer have option C section 57 C right answer next question 56 or which of the following act has the mention in section 49 of it registration Act 1908 56 or right answer hobo option A the specific referral act relief act 1877 next 57 so which of the following sections deals with recruitment of policies of insurance and limits of liability in the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 57 right answer to hole option C hobo section 147 ঠিক আছে next question so which section is the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 gives an option to the client of claiming compensation under the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 or under Workers' Compensation Act 1923. So right answer of option C, section 167. Next question to law. The Employees' Compensation Act 1920 out of the following sections which one outstate the jurisdiction of the civil code. Yeah, right answer option B hobo section 19. Next question. An appeal against the orders of a commissioner under the Employees Compensation Act 1923 lies before High Court. So question number 60 right answer to hobo option B. Option B hobo yes. Only on an substantial question of law involved. Right answer. 61 or jodi ami right answer to saw ki hobo question to nopohu more right answer to koi disu option B hobo 11 next question 62 question to here 62 right answer to hobo option C hobo 2 years option C right answer 63 right answer hobo option B hobo 5 times to revenue so payable Here it will be of option right answer. Next 64 right answer to this of section 12 means right answer option A. Option A right answer. Next 65 right to logis a excavate under the Code of Civil Producer 1908 prescribed in the right answer option C hobo. Section 148A option C right answer. 66 or right answer of option A under order V rule 20 etu right answer. 67 or jodi sao ya right answer to hobo option A order the XXI rule 101 option A right answer. ঠিক আছে 68 ole goisu ami next ইয়াৰ যদি right answer চাও right answer hobo option C section 104 C right answer. Next 69 or right answer to sao ami jodi 69 ইয়াৰ right answer hobo option B section 121 option B right answer. 70 jodi ami sao which section of Indian Penal Code deals with a person of unsound mind. Photo number question right answer option A section 84 IPC. A is the right answer. 71 or question to jodi lo ami dekhim ya right answer hobo option 1 section 89 of the IPC. A is a right answer. So next question right to private defense of the body and property is stipulated under 72 right answer option B section 97 of IPC. Sorry here one 72 right answer to hobo option B. Option B right answer. Yes sir. Next question punishment for the offense of perjury is prescribed in so 73 right answer of option B hobo option B right answer. So next question 75 question to GD holia moi answer to this right answer hobo option 1 section 4092 of the IPC. Right answer option A. 76 or right answer hobo option B. Option B right answer. 77 or right answer jodi sao ki hobo right answer option A hobo right answer. Option A right answer. 78 or right answer jodi sao ami option number B hobo section 13 of CRPC 1973 option B right answer. Next question police officers power to investigate criminal case in prescribed in your right answer is 79 or right answer option A hobo option A right answer. Next question 80 jodi right answer to hobo option B section 162 CRPC option B right answer. ঠিক আছে next question লম আমি 81 or commencement of proceedings before magistrate under the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 is stipulated under your right answer option B hobo option B right answer chapter XVI. So next question hobo 82 right answer hobo the power of High Court to transfer cases and appeals in provide under option B section 407 CRPC option B right answer. 83 right answer hobo option B. Section 432 CRPC right answer option B hobo. 84 right answer option B hobo. Section 386 CRPC option B right answer. ঠিক আছে, next question. 85 or যদি right answer sa option hobo ya right answer option C. Option C right answer. Section 481 of the CRPC 1973. 86 object the repelling act must be considered as if it had never accessed the subject to. 86 or right answer option C. Section 6 of the General Causes Act. Next question, public documents are defined in 87 or right answer hobo option D. Section 74 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 72 option D right answer. 88 or right answer hobo option D. Your option D right answer. Section 89 of the Indian Evidence Act 1972. 89 or right answer hobo option B. ঠিক আছে, ইয়াৰ option B হ'ব right answer. Section 133 of the Indian Evidence Act 1972. Question number 90 right answer hobo option B. Section 23 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872. Next question. অসমীয়া আছে নিৰাকাৰ শব্দটো শুদ্ধ সন্ধি হ'ব। ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হ'ব 91 অপশ্যন বি নিযোগ আকাৰ। ঠিক আছে, অপশ্যন বি ৰাইট এনচাৰ। দুষ্প্ৰাপ্য শব্দটোৰ শুদ্ধ সন্ধি দিবলৈ আহিছে। ইয়াৰ যদি ৰাইট এনচাৰ চাওঁ আমি, ৰাইট এনচাৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন চি হ'ব, দুযোগ প্ৰাপ্য, অপশ্যন চি ৰাইট এনচাৰ। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন, তলত দিয়া বাক্যৰ একোটা খণ্ড সংক্ষেপে এটা শব্দত প্ৰকাশ হয় যাৰ পূৰ্বজন্মৰ কথা মনত আছে। চ' ইয়াৰ ৰাইট এনচাৰ অপশ্যন ডি হ'ব, জাতিস্মৰ বুলি কোৱা হয় পূৰ্বজন্মৰ কথা যাৰ মনত থাকে, অপশ্যন ডি। যি কৰ্তব্য স্থিৰ কৰিব নোৱাৰে, ইয়াৰ ৰাইট এনচাৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন ডি, কৃং কৰ্তব্য বিমুখ। ঠিক আছে, অপশ্যন ডি ৰাইট এনচাৰ। তলত বিশেষ অৰ্থত ব্যৱহাৰ শব্দৰ শুদ্ধ অৰ্থ বাছি লোৱা গৈছে। অজিন পাতকী, অজিন পাতকী ৰাইট এনচাৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন বি, মিলিব নোৱাৰা। ধেমালি নহয় দেই, মিলিব নোৱাৰা। নেক্সট, আধা কটা 96ৰ ৰাইট এনচাৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন এ, নীলাজ। সেইটো ধেমালি কথা নহয় দেই, নীলাজ। নেক্সট, তলৰ কবিতা ফাঁকি কোনে ৰচনা কৰিছিল, শুদ্ধ নাম বাছি উলিয়াবলৈ দিছে। কবিতাটো পঢ়ি নিদিওঁ। 97ৰ ৰাইট এনচাৰ অপশ্যন চি, জ্যোতিপ্ৰসাদ আগৰৱালা ৰাইট এনচাৰ। চ' তলত দিয়া মূল শব্দৰ শুদ্ধ বিপৰীত অৰ্থ বুজোৱা শব্দ নিৰ্ণয় কৰিবলৈ কৈছে। আবিৰ্ভাৱ, আবিৰ্ভাৱ, ইয়াৰ ৰাইট এনচাৰ তিৰোভাৱ। ঠিক আছে, অপশ্যন চি ৰাইট এনচাৰ। দুৰ্জন, দুৰ্জনৰ ৰাইট এনচাৰ হ'ব সাধু। ইয়াৰ অপশ্যন ডি ৰাইট এনচাৰ। নেক্সট, প্ৰতিশোধ, ইয়াৰ ৰাইট এনচাৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন চি, ক্ষমা। চি ইজ এ ৰাইট এনচাৰ, কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰ। চ' বন্ধুসকল, আজিলৈ ভিডিঅ'টো ইমানেই। সম্পূৰ্ণ 100 মাৰ্কছৰ অবজেক্টিভ টাইপ অনচাৰ 100টা প্ৰশ্নৰ উত্তৰ দিয়া হ'ল। ক'ৰবাত কেনেবাকৈ ভুল হৈ যাব পাৰে, আপোনালোকে আঙুলিয়াই দিব। চ' আনঅফিচিয়েল কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰ দিয়া হৈছে ইয়াত এনচাৰটো। চ' আজিলৈ ভিডিঅ'টো ইমানেই। প্লিজ লাইক, শ্বেয়াৰ, কমেণ্ট কৰিব ভিডিঅ'টো কেনেকুৱা পাইছে, আৰু প্লিজ যিসকলে নতুনকৈ চাব তেওঁলোকে চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।